Hi everybody, today we're going to teach you how to jump a car. My name is Jacob Dodd. I'm a sports business major, a coaching minor, and a business administration minor. So, I just have a standard pair of jumper cables. Most people don't even know what these are. So, say my girlfriend's broke down on the side of the road and her car won't start by itself. I come to the rescue. I have my jumper cables. Open your hood, open her hood, make sure you know where the battery is, the terminals, positive, negative. All right, so black is negative, red is positive. Red will spark when you hit it on the fourth one. Fourth one meaning by your fourth connection. So what we do, take the black one, make sure it's on the metal. It's got to be touching the metal or it's not going to be charging. You take your red one on your live vehicle that starts, set it to the side. Go over to your dead vehicle. You hook your black up first, not your red. Make sure it's hitting the metal or it will not charge. Then you hook your red up right after. You come back to your other red on your live vehicle, your positive. Hook it up to the metal. Then what you want to do, you get in the live vehicle. And you start it up. Now you are charging the dead vehicle with the live one. You let this go on for a 3-minute period. Say 3 minutes have gone by. You're just going to turn the dead car over. Now once you have started both of these, you're going to go right back through the same thing. On the live vehicle, take the red off. On the dead vehicle, take the red off. Take the black off. And take this black off. Now once you have the jumper cables undone, you want to leave the dead car running for at least 5 minutes. Do not turn it off because it will die again. By having it running, it's going to build up the battery again. It's going to keep it live, and you're not going to need me to come pick you up on the side of the road. Okay? Now, this is very important for some people. Some people don't know how to jump a car. Some people don't know how to change a tire. I thought this would be a great way to teach somebody a simple process and help you get off the side of the road.